My message for our TD teachers is I'm proud of them and I hope they do not stop what they're doing right now because they became a part of my life and I became their inspiration. Thank you for teaching us. We learn a lot on math and English. Thank you for the time and efforts that you made for us. We really appreciate it.
Basta kay lawak ng iyong kapaligiran sa bundok ng karunungan, imulat ang iyong mata sa buhay na kay ganda dinggin.
Ika-29 ng Abril, taong 2024. Isang araw na lubos naming kinasasabikan. Alas 7 pa lamang ng umaga ay kita na ang mga mag-aaral na nakatipon sa cafeteria.
Ano ang inihanda mo para sa TD Grad? I brought custard cake and biscuits.
For the TD grad, nagprint ako ng mga certificates and mag-grab food ako later. Lances and Joaquins.
I brought zestos, here, paper plates, paper cups, and utensils because our kids is gonna eat.
I brought this ball. Oh yeah, for my kids to play with, basically. Stuffed toys for my kids, bracelets as memories.
Halo-halo ang emosyon sa kanilang mga muka. Tila balisa, ngunit kita rin ang kasiyahan sa mga mata. Halos buong linggo kami nag-ayos para rito, pero hindi pa rin maiwasan na mag-alala para sa inahandang programa. Ramdam ang daloy ng enerhiya sa aming paglakbay tungo sa H. Bautista Elementary School.
Nang makasakay kami sa aming mga jeep, dito na nagsimula ang aming pagbaba sa bundok upang puntahan ang aming mga TD kid. Tuwing kami ay papunta, minsan tahimik ang biyahe, ang bawat isa ay naghahanda upang magturo o kaya naman minsan ay maingay.
Wag na ulo!
From our kids.
If I meet a girl in UP Town time zone, she's like, hey, your head's my hair.
Hi Marcos.
Kung saan nagkekwentuhan ang iba at nababahala dahil di pa tapos ang mga materyales na kinakailangan para sa kanilang ituturo sa araw na yon. Pagdating sa H. Bautista, sabay-sabay naming inihahanda ang aming sarili upang makita muli ang aming mga TD kid. At sa gitna ng lahat ng stress na aming nararamdaman, nawawala ito na parang bula, makita lamang namin sila. Ito na ang simula ng panibagong kaalaman, bagong pagkakataon at masayang pagkakaibigan na mahanap mo lamang sa tulong-dunong.
Alright, so knowing it's the last day of TT, I'm honestly more excited than sad. Not because I don't get to see my kids, but because I know that they're gonna further progress in their academic journey. It has been a tough time, especially teaching them math personally, since I think it takes different approaches to how to teach these students. But I think through it all, it's been a very fun and learning journey for both sides of the spectrum. Through the experience, they get to have good memories from it, and hopefully, when they succeed, which they will remember this and hopefully pass it on to the future generation.
So, knowing that this is the last day I'm seeing my TD kids, I feel, of course, a bit sad kasi, syempre, hindi tayo sure kung kailan natin sila makikita ulit. And, syempre ako, medyo na-attach na rin ako sa TD kids ko since almost every Friday we see them and we have so much fun teaching them and seeing their faces when they learn something new. So, ayun, medyo malungkot. But at the same time, I feel very happy and fulfilled na natapos sila sa TD program. We were all able to teach them. I'm hopeful na sana one day makita namin sila ulit. So, ayun, I feel very fulfilled. So right now, I'm in a kind of a melancholic mood, knowing that this might be the last time I'll be seeing my children. Knowing for the past whole school year, we've been going to them every Friday and teaching them. And it's also kind of sad to know because for the past few weeks, we haven't really gone to them because of the disruption of classes. So we really get to, like in my case, didn't get to have a proper goodbye to them. But knowing that this is going to be the end, it's kind of a fulfilling experience to finally end it. That's all.
Pagpasok sa paaralan ay nakita namin agad ang aming mga mag-aaral na nakaayos base sa kanilang grupo. Dumagundong ng hiyawan ang kanilang covered courts. Ang iba ay sinlubong ng apil, ang iba ay ngiti, at ang iba ay yakap.
Ang paborito naming memory sa TD is ang Christmas party. Yung sa Christmas party po.
Nag-party
po ng Christmas party. Best memories ko po is yung nag-party tayo. Dahil naglaro kami ng games and nag-banding kami. And nakakuha kami push pump. Kasi po yung the whole time po, nagpakasaya lang po kami dun sa room. Tapos, naglaro-laro lang po, tapos nagsayaw. Yun po yung best memory ko sa TD. Kasi po, ang saya po, may sayawan, may kainan, may kwentuhan. That's all. Kasi masaya po, tapos sama-sama po kami. Ang paborito ko pong memory sa TD yung pag-tutor ko.
Yung time po na nagsasayahan po kami, tapos tinuturuan po kami ng maayos. Tapos kapag may mali po kami, tinatama po ng mga PTs.
Masaya po.
Happy din po kasi po, marami po kami natututunan.
Kasi madami po ako natutunan tsaka po masaya.
Home visit.
Home visit po.
Home visit po.
Home visit po. Dito ko po ang memory sa TD ay ang home visit. Home visit. My favorite memory from TD is the home visit.
Home visit po. Kasi po gumala po kami. Chikahan kami. Yun lang.
Kasi we visited each other's home and we roam around in our district. Yun lang. Kasi po para pong nagpapanding po kami.
Kasi po nakakapag-banding po kami kasama po yung mga tutor natin.
Kasi po masaya. Because we had lots of fun and we talk about each other more. And I also known that my tutors has also some sides that are very different from ours. I enjoyed it so much, then we have fun.
Okay, so una, sinong mga TD tutor nyo?
Kuya David.
David and Ate Ang.
Ate Dora.
So, tanong namin is, sa isang salita, paano nyo mailalarawan ang iyong mga TD tutor?
Kilingi.
Una, sino ang mga TD tutor mo?
Si Kuya Zeb po, tsaka si Kuya Jane. Si Kuya Sean po, tsaka si Kuya Friday.
Kuya Bakot, si Kuya Nathan.
Ayeza and Kit.
Andre at Kuya Gabi.
Kendra and Santi po. Ate Natalie po, tas Ate Stephanie. Marcos and JB.
Mabait. Pogi.
Solid!
Mabait po, maganda, tapos magaling po magturo. Mabait, maganda, maganda po magturo sa math and English.
Magaling. Bakit? Magaling sila magturo at nagiging interesado ang topic kapag sila nagtuturo.
Mababait.
Matalino.
Mabait.
Okay, sa unang tanong, anong mga pangalan ng TD tutors nyo?
Kuya Nayel and Kuya Carl. Si Kuya Nayel po, tsaka si Kuya Carl.
Paano nyo ilalarawan yung mga TD tutors nyo?
Kind. Kind din po, tsaka matulungin. Matulungin.
For Ate Alan, for Ate Step, is thank you for everything. Natuto kami kahit saglit lang. And naging masaya yung pagsasama namin kahit.
Kay Ate Ali po ay sana po maging masaya po and thank you po sa mga natutunan namin.
Gusto lang po namin magpasalamat sa mga titis at tinuruan po kami ng maayos at maganda. Natutunan din po namin ng mga bagong lessons, pati yung mga dati. Sana po, maulit po ulit.
Maraming salamat po sa tutors namin na tinulungan po kami.
Thank you po sa pagtuturo and yung mga hard work nyo po. And sana po, ingatan nyo rin po yung sarili nyo and maging high honor po kayo, Urbali Victoria.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga titi kasi po, tinuruan na po nila ako ng maayos. At saka po, thank you din po sa pagdidisiplina po sa amin.
Yung message ko po, salamat po sa pag-tutoring sa amin at sa pagtitiis kahit mahirap pumunta rito.
Ang gusto ko lang po ibigay na message po sa mga tutor ko is thank you po sa pagtuturo po sa amin and walang sawa po sa pagsusuporta po sa amin sa pag-aaral. And sa pagsasacrifice po nila sa init po ng panahon, pupunta pa rin po sila dito para po turuan po kami. Thank you po.
Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po kami. Thank you po.
Salamat din po kada Ate China at Ate Eliza dahil tinuruan niyo po kami ng mabuti.
Thank you po sa pag-tutor sa amin at that's why po, salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Yun lang po. Salamat po sa pagtuturo.
Thank you po, kasi na-understand naman po namin ng maganda yung mga tinuturo ni Kuya David at saka ni Ate Micaela. And nagpapasalamat po ako sa TV. Kasi po, binigyan po kami ng ganito. Parang, yun lang po. Okay.
My message for our TD teachers is, I'm proud of them and I hope they do not stop what they're doing right now. Because they became a part of my life and I became their inspiration. For me, thank you for teaching us. We learn a lot from math and English. Thank you for the time and efforts that you made for us. We really appreciate it.
Good luck po sa journey and sana po magpatuloy po ang pagtuturo nyo.
Thank you sa lahat ng tinuro niya sa amin.
Pogi po si Kuya David. Pogi si Kuya David. Maganda si Ate Ang. Ay, si Ate Duran.
Pogi si Kuya David.
Subalit na antalat ng ilang beses ang aming programa, bagay na mahirap man iwasan dahil sa biglaang pagbabago ng schedule, alam kong natuwa rin naman ang mga batang aming tinuturuan. Rinig ang kaligayahan at hiyawan sa aming kaganapan, mga tawang kay lakas, mga kwentuhang kay tamis. Habang pinagmamasdan ng aming paligid, hindi ko maiwasan ang kirot sa aking puso. Tila ngayon lamang tumatak sa akin na ito na ang huling araw ng tulong-dunong. Ang huling araw na makikita namin ang aming mga alaga sa TD.
Para sa akin, ang tulong-dulong ay isang oportunidad.
Para sa akin, ang tulong-dunong ay isang eye-opening experience.
Para sa akin, ang tulong-dunong ay isang pagkakataon.
Para sa akin, ang tulong-dunong ay isang serbisyo.
Para sa akin,
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 ang tulong-tulong ay isang
hakbang.
Kailawak ng iyong kapaligiran. Sa
Hakbang para sa ating mga Atenista pababa sa bundok.
sa buhay na kay ganda. Dinggin sa iba.
Hakbang para sa mga mag-aaral ng H. Bautista tungo sa edukasyong sekundarya.
Kanilang pasag inuring na yagi.
I feel sad, but at the same time, it's like I feel accomplished because even though we won't be able to see our kids, I feel like we did a lot for them and we learned a lot from them as well.
Bumaba ka sa bundok at hanapin.
It wasn't just us teaching them, but they were also able to teach us a lot of things about caring for others and for being more responsible for another person.
Nalulungkot, syempre, pero hindi ko rin maiwasang matuwa kasi kahit pa paano, alam kong may naibigay kaming knowledge at saka wisdom sa mga kids natin. And I just hope that they'll be able to use all the lessons that they learn in real life and in high school especially.
Knowing that this is the last time I'm gonna be seeing my kids, it kind of saddens me despite the short amount of time that we've been together. But you know, it's been special, especially with the TD home visit, the Christmas party, and all the sessions we had together. And we were truly able to connect by being able to teach them, which is like the best way for me and the cuties to be able to connect with each other.
And as the TD Beadle, I feel so accomplished and happy that we were able to accomplish everything that we've done for TD. And I hope that these kids can remember everything that they've experienced in the program and that we can remember everything as well. And yeah.
Sarili.
Tulong Dunong or TD has been one of the most valuable experiences in my life. As I'm a new student here in the Ateneo Senior High School, outreach culture is something very new to me. Because in my previous experiences, whenever we wanted to help a marginalized community, it would just be through donating them food or money. But here in Ateneo, it's different. They really immerse themselves into the situation of the people that we want to help by going to a public school every week, teaching them math or English, or sometimes we go to their house to update their parents about the progress of their kids in TD. So, it really surprised me, but in a good way. By going down the hill, we recognize and understand the situation more, not just by seeing it at a surface level. I think that it's valuable that Ateneo, a privileged school, does this kind of work in order to give back and also give the kids an opportunity. It's not something one-sided, as the kids have to work hard to get the opportunity for a scholarship in a prestigious school like Ateneo or St. Sco. Education is a stepping stone for a lot of aspects in our lives, and it's something that should never be held back from someone. This is why I like TD a lot, because we are giving more than education. We are giving them an opportunity to better their lives holistically. This experiences is not only beneficial to them, as we get this sense of fulfillment after knowing that we have helped them. As I continue my journey here at Ateneo, I carry with me the lessons I learned from TD, knowing that it's not just an experience, but rather a lifelong commitment to inspire and serve others, and make a meaningful impact to the world.
When I first witnessed the CSTPD program, I initially thought it was just CLE with a few extra letters, and that TD was just one of those social involvement programs that Ateneo would so often force upon us students. However, this all changed due to one particular experience. It was my experience in the TD bathroom. As I walked into the bathroom, I was appalled by the sight, not just due to the messiness of the whole place, but also the uncleanliness and the overwhelming scent, the scent of their lingering feces. To think that those feces once swam inside of my students and crawled up their intestines. All this forced upon me images that Sir Asuncion would often flash during class regarding the poor and the vulnerable. It was then that I realized the true essence of both CSTPD and TD. That CSTPD would teach us the various principles such as solidarity, common good, human rights and dignity, and for us to somewhat instill this onto those TD students, not just to help them with academic growth, but personal and moral growth as well. Not only that, many activities in TD would often parallel this, such as partnering up in groups would mimic solidarity in a way. And all this was in an effort to uphold common good. Now, in short, to conclude, even though I'm pretty sure I won't be seeing my TD students for a very long time, I still hope that they'll somewhat remember me and, above all else, remember everything I taught them, all the principles, all the lessons, and many more. Bye-bye.
If anything I learned in TD is the innate human ability to persevere and find happiness despite any condition they are given. Whenever I go to TD and teach my kids, they're always so cheerful and attentive, doing their best in their studies and tests, and learning the things that I teach them. Nevertheless, even in a learning environment, they still have time to bicker and play around with their classmates and friends from other groups. Sending signals from afar, mouthing words, or using their hands to formulate letters. It's also fun to watch and just see them enjoy their life. I find myself thinking most of the time that they are just like us. No, they are exactly like us. They are people striving, living, and pushing through in their life. Though I always am faced with the realization that our reality is vastly different from theirs. They have been through worse. Their quality of life is vastly different from ours. The mere thing of teaching these kids and giving them an opportunity for better education, for them to hopefully pursue a better life, is our act as Christians, striving for the common good, preferential option for the poor, and solidarity as we give them these chances that will lead them to have a better future. They deserve these chances because I want them to keep on persevering and have the happiness that they so deserve. All in all, I am very thankful for TD.